Let's cover stacks, and there are really two superpowers here. The plain stack handles anything that nests. Matching parentheses, undo histories, call frames, last in, first out mirrors nesting perfectly. And then the monotonic stack, the trick that answers next greater element for every element in a single O of n pass, with a naive approach is quadratic. Daily temperatures stock span, largest rectangle in a histogram, they all fall to it. It feels like cheating. It isn't. Let's see both. Definition first. A stack is last in, first out, push and pop at one end in constant time. The natural fit for nesting and most recent first problems. A monotonic stack adds one rule. Keep the stack sorted by popping everything your new element beats before pushing. Each element pushes and pops at most once, so next greater element problems become linear. The plain stack first. Valid parentheses. Push every opener, and on a closer, pop and check it matches. Mismatch or an empty stack midway, invalid. Leftovers at the end, invalid. Empty at the end, valid. That push open, pop close shape handles decode-string, simplify path, and the min stack, where you push pairs of value and current minimum, so get min is O of 1. The recognition cue. Whenever a structure nests, or the most recent thing matters first, think stack before anything else. Now the star. The problem. For each element, find the next element to its right that's greater. Naive. Scan right for each O of n squared. The monotonic stack. Keep a stack of indices whose answer is still unknown. Maintain so their values are decreasing. When a new element arrives, while it's greater than the stack's top, pop, because this new element is exactly that popped element's next greater. Then push the new element. Each element is pushed once and popped at most once, amortized O of n. The same argument as sliding window. Say that amortized line out loud. The same skeleton solves a wall of famous problems. Daily temperatures. How many days until something warmer? That's next greater with the answer being the index gap. Stock span flips direction. Previous greater. Trapping rainwater has a stack version where each pop closes a basin between walls. And largest rectangle in a histogram is the boss fight. Next scene. The recognition phrase is mechanical. The words next greater, previous greater, next smaller, or previous smaller, in any disguise, mean monotonic stack every time. The boss, largest rectangle in a histogram. Keep an increasing stack of bar indices. When a shorter bar arrives, it ends the reign of every taller bar on the stack. Pop each one, and at the moment of popping, you know its rectangle exactly, its height times the width between the new bar and whatever remains below it on the stack. Track the max over all pops, O of n total. The insight to narrate. Each bar's best rectangle is bounded by the first shorter bar on each side, and the stack discovers both boundaries for free. Bonus. Maximal rectangle in a binary matrix is just this, run per row. Master the histogram, and you've mastered the pattern. Here's something you already use without knowing it. A stack is just an idea, add and remove at one end, and underneath it's either a plain array or a linked list. The array version is faster because everything sits together in memory in one cache-friendly block. Now the big reveal. Your program has a stack built right in the call stack. Every time you call a function, a frame is pushed, and every time it returns a frame is popped. Trace factorial of 3. It pushes F3, then F2, then F1, then unwinds back up to 6. Recursion is literally a stack, and a stack overflow error just means you push too many frames without popping them. Let's walk the real thing on the array to 1, 2, 4, 3, and watch the duplicate. We keep a decreasing stack of indices. The 2 goes on, then the 1. Now a second 2 arrives. It pops the 1. That's the 1's answer. But does it pop the first 2? No. Next greater means strictly greater, so equal values stay put. Then 4 sweeps in and pops both 2's. It's their answer, and the leftovers get -1. The answer is 4, 2, 4, -1, -1. And the direction rule is just 2 dials. Next means scan from the far side. Greater means keep the stack decreasing. Change one word, change one dial. The boss, fully traced, on heights 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. Keep an increasing stack of bar indices. Bars 5 and 6 stack up. Then a 2 arrives and ends their reign. Pop the 6, area 6. Pop the 5, and its width is 2, so area 10, that's the winner. A sentinel bar of height 0 at the very end flushes whatever's left over. The key idea: each bar's rectangle is bounded by the first shorter bar on each side, and the stack hands you both edges for free. Answer 10 in one pass. The same loop, two famous problems. Daily temperatures asks how many days until it's warmer. So you look forward, and on each pop the answer is the gap, minus the popped index. Stock span asks how long today has been the high. So you look back instead. Same decreasing stack, opposite gaze, and both answers are distances, which is exactly why we put indices on the stack and not values. One more classic. Turning math you can read in a math a machine can run. 3 plus 4 times 2 becomes 3, 4, 2 times plus. Operands go straight to the output. An operator waits on a stack until something higher priority pushes it out. Times outranks plus so it lands first. Then postfix evaluates with no precedence rules at all. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. It's called shunting yard because the operators wait on a siding like train cars and get shunted out in the right order. While the new element beats the top, pop, the new element is the popped one's answer. Total push plus pop plus q égale à 2n. Now the mistakes to avoid, straight from the field. Beginner storing values when the answer needs indices / distances, forgetting leftover elements, -1. Intermediate wrong monotonic direction, if instead of while, when popping. Advanced missing that amortized O of n comes from each element's single push plus single pop. Interview questions on this, rapid fire. Why is ng O of n? Each element pushed once, popped at most once. Daily temperatures? Decreasing index stack. Answer equals I'm minus popped. Min stack O of 1. Pair each entry with the min so far, or second stack. Histogram max rectangle. Increasing stack. On pop, height equals popped. With equals I'm minus new top -1. And what most tutorials never tell you. Why it works. Anything still under a bigger newcomer could never be a later element's next grader anyway. The stack only keeps candidates with a future. Histogram is the boss level. Every max area / span under constraint reduces to it. Maximal rectangle in a matrix equals histogram per row. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The pattern's promise: 1 reflex, nesting then stack, plus 1 loop, pop what you beat, covers bracket matching, expression evaluation, and the whole next greater family in O of n. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. The most recently opened bracket must close first. LIFO isn't a technique here. It's the definition of well-nested. Every parser you've ever used runs this loop. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Snapshot per depth. Each AUX entry answers, what was the minimum when the stack was this tall? Pops rewind both stacks together, so history is never recomputed. Same trick powers max stack and stack with running sum. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Why it works? Anything buried under a bigger newcomer could never be a later element's next grader anyway. The newcomer stands in front of it, closer and taller. So the stack only retains candidates with a future. Daily temperatures, LC 739. Is this loop verbatim with ANS, popped, equals I'm minus popped, distance instead of value, which is exactly why the stack stores indices. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Let's slow down and really build this up from scratch, one piece at a time. Histogram equals next smaller on both sides computed in one pass. Expression evaluation equals most recent pending operand/operator resolves first. Both are the same LIFO geometry, wearing different clothes. Trace the arrows on screen slowly. That single picture is the whole idea in one glance. Now, the part candidates ask for most, what real companies actually probe on this topic, based on public interview reports, not official statements. Amazon reported daily temperatures and next greater variance as screens. The ON proof. Why isn't the while loop O in superscript 2 is the standard follow-up. Google reported largest rectangle in histogram and maximal rectangle, LC85, for strong candidates. Recognition that matrix problems reduced to Perot histograms is what's graded. Meta reported valid parentheses family. Minimum removals LC1249, longest valid LC32, and decode-string LC394. Nested structure manipulation under time pressure. Microsoft reported MinStack and basic calculator I2, LC224-227. Precedence handling with stacks, unary, minus planted. Here is how the same answer is graded, from weak to excellent, so you know exactly what an interviewer is listening for. Question daily temperatures, days until a warmer day. Why asked? The cleanest monotonic stack recognition test. Week. For each day scan forward, O in superscript 2. Good. Decreasing index stack correct code. Excellent. The walk narrated with stack contents at each step, indices not values justified, distances. The push once pop once O in, proof unprompted. Impress. Same skeleton as NGLC 496. Circular variant does 2 in with modulo. Red flag. If where while belongs. Question min stack with O1 get min. Weak. Scan the stack on get min, O in. Good. AUX stack, push when smaller. Excellent. AUX as min so far snapshot per depth explained. Why pops rewind history for free. Plus the repeat on equals subtlety. Push equal minimums, or popping one loses the other. Red flag. A single min variable. What happens when a min is popped? Question largest rectangle in a histogram. Weak. All pairs of walls. O in superscript 2. Good. Increasing stack with the pop area rule stated. Excellent. Per pop geometry derived. Height equals popped. Right wall equals I. Left wall equals new top. With equals on minus new top minus 1. Sentinel flush included. A 6-bar dry run finding 10. Impress. Maximal rectangle in a matrix is this per row. This is the reduction target for max area under constraint problems. Your cheat sheet. LIFO equals nesting equals parsing / undo. Use array dec. Next greater family to monotonic stack. Pop what you beat. New item answers the pop. Direction by goal, greater to decreasing stack. Indices when distance matters. And the memory trick, pop the beaten. You are their answer. Quick check. Next greater element for every item in linear time. How? Keep a decreasing monotonic stack. While the new item is greater than the top, pop. And the new item is the popped item's answer. Every element is pushed once and popped at most once, so it's O of n total. Quick favor. If this is useful, subscribe and turn on the bell. New videos and daily updates. Every 1-0 to deep. Now the recap. Let's lock it in. Nesting in most recent first problems take a plain stack, parentheses being the canonical push open, pop match close. Any flavor of next or previous, greater or smaller, is a monotonic stack in O of n. The invariant. The stack holds indices whose answer is unknown, values kept sorted, and a pop means that element just got its answer. Push once, pop once, amortized linear. In a histogram boss, each pop reveals a rectangle, the popped height times the width it ruled. That stacks both superpowers. And that stacks and monotonic stacks. If you want the histogram walkthrough, the rainwater stack solution, and the templates, It's all in the full write-up in the Codivora library. Like, subscribe, and keep building.